headache because it's so, you know, when I go roaming around to buy something for his birthday, I'm so tired. Look at my eyes. I don't even have makeup. Only lipstick. Very beautiful. Only my lips. Tuesday ay nag-result sa mo. Ang po mo yung skin ito eh. Ayun na ito kay diabetic na to. Pangriga sugarol ka ito. Sige, pamulang kita na ako dito sa Glorieta. Ito po itong ibiyaan o kasawa. Ang regard. Sige, chat na ako. Ang gulo. Ikaw, kaya mag-chat na ako. Mamulang kwarta. Hi, Sarah Dean. Hello. Miss you, Nami. Yep. Humberto. Hello, Humberto. This Mexico. College students. Are you busy? 20, you're too young. Hoy, mo ba? Wala. Ikaw na kinit. Nang nag-chat na ako, nang hulang kwarta, lisan na lang niya. Ang tuon niya na ako dato. Ang ganit eh. So, I could not find you another place. Why? In my Bigo, I was banned. Because of Makmak. So, I stay here. Because for the meantime, my YouTube is demonetized. So it's not back for monetize. I go for the other, the other site. The other platform. Hello to 109 viewers. You said my new account. Yep, but I can't go for Bigo here because the net I can't go live with the internet. Hello, Kelly Dev Youth. How are you? Your work, I come back for one intervention. Okay. My head is aching. I'm just go live for a minute, not just an hour. Just like a 30 minutes or 20 because I have a headache. I'm so tired. Remember? Yes, you are one of my. Please join membership. Please, so that I know. I have only 2 members. One is Joy and the other is David. I see you. Yes, I'm so tired because I clean everything here. I have many visitors at the early night because Makmak's birthday, my son. Makmak, sleep, so tired. Snore, you lost them all. Yes. No, I can't go for live in Bigo here because my internet can't go up for Bigo. I don't know why. I have a headache. This rather. I have a headache. Because I'm always thinking, what do I prepare for Makmak's birthday? That's in my head is aching. And do I buy two kinds of cake and chicken? What color? Hello, good evening. I'm sorry, guys. My eyes I'm so sorry. His 90s is not fit for me. It's too huge or large. What you call this? It's not fit for me. I wish you have a good night. Yeah, because I'm so tired. I have a headache. I'm here just to say hi, hello to my viewers that I am here. But sad to say I'm tired now because almost